Manufacturing to me is magic, and it's really what directly impacts people's lives. If we look all around us, almost everything we have has been manufactured. And so if you want to really be part of manufacturing sustainably, ethically, and really defining how people live their lives in the future, come join Ohlone's manufacturing program and let's train you for a future-proof career.
If you see the new initiatives, the manufacturing is coming back here. We need people and we have to help the society.
I think the type of person I was before I entered the program, that type of person I am now, a little bit different, a little bit more willing, open-minded, and willing to apply myself a little bit harder.
We call it an earn and learn program. So students are here with us for 4 weeks. We pay them a stipend of $1,500.
The teachers are very helpful. They're professionals. They don't mind taking time out of their day and actually helping us. I know I could trust them and I know that they know what they're doing.
The professors are very knowledgeable. They'll help you kind of straight shoot.
It's a very versatile set of skills that they learn here.
I just felt like this was really what I wanted to do. That's just my calling again. Technology and science, this program was just perfect for me.
Come be part of the ecosystem of manufacturers. Come be part of the people that really define the future.